Thank you to Economic Times for organizing this Digital Water Management Summit. Digital water is very important for wastewater treatment. My experience in last 24 years with the wastewater treatment with several companies like Shell, Unilever, UPL, I have many examples to share a smart technology in wastewater management. But here, considering the time, I shall consider and share three main examples. And these examples are one related to design, second related to operation, and third related to a stream segregation. The use of smart technology in design of wastewater, that examples and case study is related to Shell. Shell is a oil company, biggest multinational in oil company. Second example, I shall share using a smart technology in operation at Unilever. So in Unilever, we have used one example of using a smart technology that I will share in this presentation. And third example, I shall share a stream segregation using a smart technology, which we did at UPL. So all these three I shall explain during this discussion. So before going to the main topic, I feel that let's first understand that where the wastewater treatment technology trend is moving. And if you see the slide, then you will find that maybe 50 years back or 40 years back, trend in wastewater management was using conventional technology like activated sludge process, biological treatment, and they have very higher footprint, big concrete structure, lower treatment efficiency, manual control, and higher operating cost. Now today, the trend has completely changed inside the industry, and the current trend is toward modular design. So industry want modular designed wastewater treatment plant which use advanced technology, recycle of effluent recycling. They want a smaller footprint and also the higher treatment efficiency, automatic control, and operating cost as much as minimum. Now the future, I feel, the future trend in wastewater treatment is toward the extreme modular design. And people want extreme modular design wastewater treatment plant using a smart technology such that they can operate the plant at remote place. Means sitting at somewhere in office, they can operate the wastewater treatment plant at remote location. So that kind of technology people at this moment want to move, and the wastewater treatment technology trend is also moving toward extreme modular using a smart technology. So we will discuss how this smart technology get used. So before going to design, I want to here discuss first that there are several technology in wastewater treatment which is using a smart technology, and those smart wastewater treatment technologies are very good, and at this moment of time industry uses. So here four technology I shall explain which are of our great use, and we have used at UPL. So one is a scale ban. A scale ban is a technology which uses smart technology, and it can sense automatically water, and it can recirculate automatically water, blow down happens automatically, and here the treated wastewater can be used in cooling tower as high as up to the 250,000 ppm. So it reduces the abstracted water demand. Second technology is Volute, which is a dewatering technology, and sludge can be dewatered by using Volute, and this also equipped with a smart technology like PLC and all kind of automation where no operator is needed exactly at field, it can be operated from remote place. Third is the OH radical, which is used to treat very high TDS effluent inside the plant. And fourth is the forward osmosis technology, which is a very good technology, well equipped with all automation, all software, PLC, and this can be also automatically operated, and very good technology for treating high COD and high TDS effluent. So now coming to the topic where we have to share the examples of smart technology. So this is the example at Cell where we used a smart technology in design, and while working at Cell, we have made a software where you can feed the flow, you can feed the wastewater characteristics, and you can get a very good, well-designed modular wastewater treatment plant. All the design parameter comes from this software. And also at this moment of time, other industry uses BioWin. BioWin is also a software which is used globally. But this is the one example at Cell where we customized for Cell and we have used this software to design. Now the second example is using a smart technology in operation is at Unilever. Actually, in Unilever Ghana plant, we have a unique situation. So there what situation was that in Ghana, there was no skilled manpower available to operate the wastewater treatment plant. And there was no local supplier also available to make the very good, well-designed wastewater treatment plant. So we get it designed from India, a modular wastewater treatment plant. You can see extreme modular, where everything get made here and we just ship that Ghana, and sitting at Mumbai Unilever office, we can operate the plant at Ghana. So this is one of the best example of using a smart technology where you can operate the wastewater treatment plant at Ghana, sitting at Mumbai office of Unilever plant, and that we did by utilizing the SCADA system. Now the next example is at Unilever UPL. So in UPL, we have used a smart technology inside operation, and a stream segregation we did using the smart technology. Here inside a chemical complex, the complex effluent come, and you will get various kind of effluent, and it's become very, very difficult to treat the effluent if you get at one place and with one ETP. So what we did here, that we have segregated the stream into red stream, yellow stream, and green stream. So green stream happens to be TDS below 5,000 ppm and COD below 10,000 ppm. Yellow stream we say where the TDS is more than 5,000 but less than 1 lakh ppm, and red stream where TDS is very high and COD is very high. So these all segregation is possible by installing sensor and smart technology and have a appropriate wastewater technique where we can send this stream and treat well the effluent inside the chemical complex. So this is the example at UPL where we have utilized a smart technology for the effluent identification, segregation, and treatment, and this enables us to optimize our performance of ETP and also the cost optimization. So I think these three examples which I have shared, and in summary, if you see the benefit of a smart technology, then I can say the first example I have shared in design. So you can design extreme modular packaged solution where very less occupancy of a space will be there and very good result you can get. The second advantage is you can operate and control from remote places, which example I have shared of Unilever, where sitting at Mumbai office, we can control the wastewater treatment plant at Ghana. And third benefit is performance and cost optimization using smart technology, and that I have shared at UPL that how we did the affluent segregation using a smart technology, and we get very good performance in terms of cost as well as in terms of treated effluent parameter. So I think considering the time, I am going to conclude my presentation. Thank you.